What's up? So I had somebody ask or suggest posting a video of the footage from this new camera that I got. And I thought, you know what, that's not a bad idea. So I have downloaded a couple of clips from my phone, and I just wanted to show you real quick what the camera was in case you weren't able to see the first video. So FYI, there is a video of me unboxing everything that comes with this camera. It is I think I spent like 32, 33, 34 bucks, something like that, on this camera. It's a 4K camera. It is only a front-facing camera. I didn't want a rear-facing camera because I will be rotating this between my vehicles as I see fit. I may buy the other cars one individually, but I don't hold on to most of my cars for very long, so that's kind of the reason behind that. It works really well, but I wanted to show you guys some of the footage. I know I showed it on the last video, but here is more of some different footage during the day as well as the night, so you guys can kind of see how the quality is. I'll have another link in the description down below. It's going to give you a link to that camera on Amazon. Again, under 35 bucks for a 4K camera. You can't really beat that. I do have a video of really the whole reason I got this camera. So I'll show you guys that here in a bit. Now you're going to see some actual footage that I downloaded from my phone. Just some clips of sunny, cloudy, to give you different perspectives about how good the quality is from this camera. These are just some straightaways. Here in a second, you're going to see me turning and some cars passing, so you can get detail for everything. Here, wait, at the end of, not the next clip, but the next clip, you'll see exactly why I got a dash cam. Stupid stuff happens in front of me every single day, and this was able to capture one of the dumb things that I see on the daily. This was actually the day after I installed the camera. It's this clip right here. I was heading to the gym. You'll see in a second, this car with kind of the yellow tinted lights is heading, there you go. They were in my lane heading right towards me. So exactly why I got a dash cam.